The Somero S-22EZ virtual trainer, developed by ForgeFX Simulations, enables trainees to familiarize themselves with a life-sized interactive version of one of Somero's most popular machines. A tutorial panel guides the user through each step. Highlighted areas direct the user to target locations and indicate interactive components which animate the correct procedure. Hand tracking and teleportation functionality provided by the MetaQuest platform allow the trainee to move anywhere around the machine. The MetaQuest controllers emulate the cockpit joysticks, adding muscle memory training to the holistic learning experience. Audio plays a major role in this training simulator. The instructions are narrated to assist with comprehension.
To start the engine, rotate the key in the ignition to the furthest right.
Machine sounds, such as the Screed engine and horn, help the trainee become accustomed with startup and safety protocols, providing realistic, memorable training while ensuring operator safety. The Somero S-22EZ virtual trainer, developed by ForgeFX Simulations.